everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, we are going to be making these tiny little beautiful coaster pieces that you can use anywhere at your home for your decoration. Also, because these are made out of coasters, I believe everyone has some coasters lying around at their homes. So all you need for this DIY are coasters, some acrylic paints and a permanent CD marker. Even a sketch pen would do. Now these are actually pretty versatile. You can use these for your gardens like I have right here. You can also use these as decoration pieces in your drawing rooms, living rooms, balconies, just wherever you want. Now the reason why I decided to make this week's DIY as simple as possible was because I know that a lot of us are staying home, and in these testing times we want something to distract ourselves and do something creative to keep ourselves busy. And if you or your family are struggling during these very tough times, my heart reaches out to you, and I really hope that all of us get out of these tough times as soon as possible. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe like always. Don't forget to hit the bell icon right below this video so you're notified every single time we have a new upload on this channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So I've had these coasters lying around at home for almost a decade now. You know those fancy gift shops that we have at hill stations, right? That's where this is from. So as you can see, they're pretty worn out and there are round marks from the glass butts, which obviously makes it quite evident. If you can see, one of the sides has very faint flowers embossed onto it and the other one is plain, so I'm going to work with the smoother side here. So I'm just going to take one quickly and put this all aside. Alright, so for a neat and precise boundary, we'll need to put some tape across the border so our paint stays in line. I'm just using the basic sellotape because I couldn't go out to get masking tape because of COVID, so I just used whatever was available. And you should do it too, guys. Please make do with whatever you have at home and stay safe. So this is what it looks like after we've covered the boundary, and the next step is to grab a paint of your choice and start painting. I've chosen acrylic paints for this project. You can use oil paints, poster colors, whatever you think works best for you. So I'm now going to take a dense flat brush and start painting the coaster, leaving a little empty space in the middle because that's where the other colors will go. Switching up the color to blue for more detailing, I've drawn a stick figure here and colored its clothes. If you look closely, you'll be able to see the figure I've followed to color in, which I traced with a pencil. You can of course choose the design you would like to paint. Now I'm slowly going to take off the tape. Enjoy the ASMR. Now for the outline, we'll switch to green and use a very thin brush to work the lines. I'm just being extra careful here. If you're someone whose hands are steady and is more in the habit of painting, you'll definitely do a much better job than me. Once the outline is done, here's what it'll look like. Now I'm using a marker first to define the design and then fill in the rest of the spaces. You can first finish the painting and then go in with this step if you want. I'll just do the final painting after going in with the marker. Now I'm simply going to paint in the empty spaces here and here, define the outlines once again at the end, and here is how it finally looks. Unbelievable, isn't it? I think it'll look best in an open space like a garden or balcony. I mean, we all tend to neglect corners during home decor, right? And something like this is definitely going to add so much more life and character to a plain and boring corner. Extremely beautiful and super easy to do. And the results? Well, you guys tell me how you liked it in the comments. was it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you guys have fun recreating all of the DIYs that I present to you here on this channel. If you do want me to make more such videos in the future, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to connect with me on social media and share your recreations with me on my social media accounts, which are tagged right here in front of you. And until then, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!